Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Seagroatt Riccardi. It is October 21st, 2019, and for this week's video, guys, we are going to be talking about Dendrobium orchids. Not Phalaenopsis, but Dendrobiums. So let's jump right in. We have many different kinds of Dendrobiums. Here we have the purple Dendrobium, and of course they come in a beautifully decorated white clay pot. And one of the best parts as well is that they are in nice full bloom. They look fantastic. They look great in your store, great into your customer's home or office. And as you can tell, the colors are just absolutely popping in this greenhouse, and we're just so very proud of what we have gotten in for this week. Now, in terms of maintenance, it's relatively straightforward. Don't forget to keep the temperature between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure it's not too cool or not too warm, because they are kind of delicate petals. Also, make sure the Dendrobium orchids have proper air circulation. One of the things that does not help it is actually just keeping it stagnant in a particular room, or a room that has very little air circulation. So any kind of fan or any kind of air circulation at all is very helpful to the health of your plant. Now, in terms of light, Dendrobiums really like quite a bit of light. Not necessarily direct light, just some indirect natural light would work, or even some growing bulbs. They do like a lot of light, though. Between 14 and 16 hours of light is preferable to kind of stimulate them a little bit. But, you know, if you cannot find that, then I guess a nice lamp with some fan circulation would be just the trick. And, of course, watering the plant is self-explanatory. You're going to water it pretty much once a week, or actually whenever the top part of the soil is dry, and also through to the intermediate area of the soil is dry as well. That's when you're going to start watering it. And, you know, again, you want to overwater. You do not want to underwater, obviously, but definitely make sure that there is some sort of moisture in that soil. And here's something you may not know. Dendrobiums also like it to be fairly humid in the room, usually between 50 and 70 degrees humidity. I mean, that's not a lot of humidity. You know, we don't want to turn into an Amazon jungle, but we don't want it to be too dry as well. Of course, those petals, they absorb some of that humidity out of the air, which certainly helps in maintaining your plant. I want to jump back in and talk about the colors again. Of course, you've seen some nice light lavender, pinky color tones. You've seen some nice purple color tones, some more or less hot pink / burgundy color tones. And that's what we want to talk about as well, is that the variety of color that we have available per plant is just quite amazing. And I think if you were able to stop by our greenhouse and check them out, you would absolutely agree with us. Well, everyone, that will do it for us. We hope that you liked this video and that you found it helpful. And if you did, please click that like button on our YouTube channel. Please click subscribe as well. And then hopefully we would see you next time. Also, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you again next time.